Hello, myself Nishita. So today I'm going to demonstrate my project AI learning platform. This is the login screen where we have three methods in order to log in. The first one is the magic link. A link will be sent to your email, and in this, an OTP code is sent to your email. And this is the quicker demo access where you don't need any email credentials. So I'll just start the demo quickly. So this is the screen. This consists of three tabs. The first one is the user profile, learning modules. So based on the user profile, here the content will be generated, personalized content. And this is the security dashboard where API calls, average response time, error rate, maximum risk, and all the authentication details and MCP resource registry details will be generated after the personalized content generation. So here you can see the total active resources are used and the security monitor API calls. So first let's get started. So I'll just fill my personalized profile. So you can choose any of your current. So I will choose the software engineer and your age and your experience level. I'll just go with beginner. And this is the skill assignment where you can choose your current skills. So I'm currently I can do Python and stuff. So in this targeted, if you want to learn any of these languages, you can add on to it, or else you just leave it as it is. And currently, so first I wanted to learn machine learning. Let's go with machine learning. You can even add multiple skills too. So I'll just go with deep learning and web development. Currently, I'm not choosing any. So and again, targeted skill if you wanted to learn. Okay, so and then cloud. So these are some of the options provided. So based on these options, the customized exercise plan will be generated. Okay, I'll go with LLMs and business related. Okay, cool. Now next, this will be the preferred learning style. I always enjoyed reading since it's theoretical, machine learning, deep learning, and all. So I'll just go with learning curl is skill enhancement, and so I can commit 3 to 5 hours per week, and mm, I want the mixed of all. So I'll just choose mixed, and then if any additional request or notes, I'll just say I want in a simple human language. Okay, now I'll generate the plan. Okay, now our customized exercise plan is generated. So this is my current profile, updated profile. Okay, now let's go to the learning modules. So you can see here the content has been added. So each module has been given. I have kept the machine learning, deep learning, and large language models, and a project also been added based on my personal preference. So you can even see the syllabus, what topics are given, like what content is generated. So okay. Mm, so anyway, this is the syllabus. So now in order to generate, so these are the modules which are presently based on my learning goal. 6 modules has been present. So I would like to see foundations. Okay. Now the content is being generated of that module. So all these topics in the syllabus, these content will be generated here now. You can even see the tokens used, Tavily search, how many search queries have been used, and active resources, API calls, any risk level, and all. So here is the content which is generated with the practical example, and also the text is also in the form of simple human language as I requested. Okay, so this is the total syllabus and objectives, and these are the resources which are used in order to generate the content. Mm, so let's try to generate any other content. Okay, introduction to large language modules. So the detailed content of that is generated based on the syllabus topics, and these are the resources used while generating the content. And you can even download the entire module and save it in your laptop. And this is the security dashboard where you can see the number of API calls made in total, the average response time, any error or any risk factor involved. So you can see, and this is my activity, and these are my authentication details. And you can see this is my MCP resource registry. So the query is what was the query and stuff. Okay, so yeah. So total these are the queries which been prompted in order to generate my content, and in order, and these are the total number of tokens and searches have been used. And now I can reset the entire session again. See, the entire profile has been again the no learning modules. So this is the thank you.